सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Namaskar and welcome to Ajay Stromani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the commodity market. I am Ria, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of pepper. The domestic pepper market is currently making headlines, and for good reason. For 14 consecutive days, pepper prices have been on a steady upward climb. This impressive winning streak has added a total of 1,400 rupees per quintal, with another 100 rupees added just yesterday. The driving force behind this rally is consistent and strong buying interest. What's particularly interesting is that this price rise is happening even as more supply is entering the market. This tells us there is a healthy balance between supply and demand, which is keeping prices firm. Traders are feeling cautiously optimistic about the near-term future, which contributes to the positive market sentiment. Now, let's take a look at the global scenario. In Vietnam, a major global player, pepper prices have found a stable range. After a recent surge, they are now holding between 140,000 and 142,000 Vietnamese dong per kilogram. This stability in Vietnam mirrors the broader trend of gradually rising prices worldwide, which is creating a positive feeling across the international market. However, a new factor is on the horizon. Brazil, a significant pepper producer, is set to begin its harvest in the northern regions this month. This new supply could potentially add downward pressure on prices. Additionally, the US's 50% import duty on pepper is expected to impact market rates and create challenges for exporters. Despite these factors and the overall improved global production forecasts, a dramatic price rally seems unlikely. The market is defined by a balanced supply and measured demand, which points to a stable and predictable environment for price movements in the short term. The overall outlook remains one of cautious optimism. Let's quickly review the current prices. In Kochi, ungarbled pepper is at 67,900 rupees per quintal, while garbled is at 69,900 rupees. The 500 GL grade is at 66,900 rupees. In Karnataka, prices in both Kushalnagar and Chikmagalur are ranging between 67,800 and 70,000 rupees per quintal. Looking at the global market, here are the FOB quotes in USD per metric ton for black pepper. Brazil Asta, $5,850. Vietnam 500 GL, $6,240. Vietnam 550 GL, $6,370. Indonesia Asta, $7,208. Malaysia is priced in ringgit per metric ton at 9,400. That's all for today's analysis. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ajay Stromani Guru for more expert analysis and